Hey y'all, it's Dal&Drew Food Review.
We got the new Dairy Queen stuff. New orange cream flavored shake and the new cookies and cream dipped cone.
It's blue.
Let's get into it. Oh yeah. That tastes exactly like a dreamsicle. Like it's a melted dreamsicle.
Yeah, that's good. That's real creamy orange flavor.
Exactly I give that what I want it to 7.5.
I'll give it an 8. I like that a lot. Now.
She just looked evil. Now, why didn't you just bite off the top instead of...
Such a shock difference going from the orange cream to this. Let me get another bite. It's just vanilla ice cream.
It's good. There's not a crazy amount of flavor to the... You could taste cookies and cream a little bit, but it's more of like a hint.
Yeah.
I give it a 6. It's good.
That's a letdown for me. I'm gonna give it a 5. I don't hate it, but I wouldn't get it again. But
get this shake. That it's good.
It's worth trying. Go get it and let us know if y'all think it had more flavor than we thought. Yeah. But 100% go get this. But we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Peace.